Okay, so now that we've got the inside boards of the frame replaced, now we're going to put the skirt on. So these are the boards that are already repaired and glued. These go here. So we should be able to line up the holes where they were. Should start to line up. Yep, and it does.
That wasn't too yellow.
Isn't too hard.
Yeah,
You're in my way though.
Sorry.
You're like right in the way, baby. Okay, so that's solid. Let's do this front one. Do the front one next. I think this is actually supposed to be the back of the table because this one does not have the decal. Alright, we'll go and do the other side next. Alright, so this one actually does have the vanity piece. And again, I'm just lining these up, hopefully with the previous holes. It does look like they line up really well. this one because that's right where that wood was split before. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set the slate on just to see how it lines up. Make sure that it still lines up evenly, and then I'm going to drape the cloth across the top just so I can brush it out, make sure there's no tears in the cloth, and then we'll go from there. These are really, really heavy. This is the slate. That is the top of the pool table. There are 3 pieces. So this one, I believe, is this side. This one's the middle. And then the one on the back should be the other side. So it gets laid across the top. Up here. Okay, so the slate is in. We're gonna need wax to seal it, but I went ahead and put the cloth and just draped it across. That way we can work out any of these creases. And I think, looking at it all the way around, that the felt is actually in really good shape. I'm not seeing any imperfections. There are a couple of holes for where the rails actually mount, and they do line up. So I think this is proof of concept that it is ready to be dismantled again, moved to its permanent location where we will put it back together, and during that process we will have to level it. I didn't level it out here because this is not its permanent location. So I think outside from installing the felt, stretching it, stapling it in, and putting the rails back on, I have a fully functional pool table now. So it is ready to be moved. Should have done it right the first time, but here we are.